Hello everyone, Frank here, and today we're gonna sketch another character from the Sonic universe. This is gonna be Tails, and we're gonna start with the usual circle for the head and an oval for the body. The legs are gonna be this thin and the feet are not gonna be as long as Sonic's. So just go on drawing my geometrical shapes, not worrying too much about any detail. I know at this point it doesn't look like much, but believe me, if you are patient and you are willing to do step by step, it might turn out quite good. Here I didn't get satisfied with the length of the arm. Don't be afraid of erasing anything you're not satisfied with. Now I'm gonna mark the center for the nose, which is gonna be here. And then I'm going to start sketching whatever makes this character recognizable. So I decided that both tails should be as fluid as possible. So here it goes. To mark the difference in color. So let's go to the next step and use the marker for the outline. order to color this one, I decided to experiment a little bit more with felt tip pens. Let's see how it turns out. I hope you've liked the journey so far. So if you want to see some more experiments with drawing and coloring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope to see you here next time. Goodbye my friends, thank you for watching.